A question is for Alexa. How was it like working with BGYO Akira in Misbehave and BGYO Jello in The Chambermaid's Daughter? Who do you like working with more?
Ay!
Oh, sorry.
Drama! Actually, nagko-collect talaga ako ng Pokemon, no? Kino-collect ko yung buong BGYO, kino-collect ko na mga P-pop. But, seriously, working with Aki, well, I worked with him na po kasi sa Your Face. So, nothing new, except this is acting naman. It's not singing, it's not performing. And, it feels very refreshing. Nare-refresh ako sa kanya and also with his character. Galing na galing ako sa kanya. I always tell him, you're a natural.
Yes!
You're a natural at this. You should do it more. You should do it more often. Bagay talaga sa kanya and kahit ako as Marla, kapag siya yung ka-eksena ko, meron sense of hinga. May peace na nararamdaman si Marla at pati na rin si Alexa. Parang yun yung hinga ko out of the heavy drama na ginagawa namin sa araw-araw. So it's been really fun. It's been fun. Yes.
Para ka ng Rufa May Quinto.
No, ayun. Na-enjoy ko po talaga. And also with Jello, iba naman din kasi yung atake namin sa The Chambermaid's Daughter.
Right.
Yes. And both I Want projects. So maraming salamat naman po I Want. Thank you so much sa pagpuno ng aking schedule. Ibang-ibang atake nila eh. Iba yung mga binibigay nilang dalawa sa akin.
Right.
So, syempre, hindi po ako pwedeng pumili kasi may magagalit. Charot, hindi.
Oh.
No, pero ang hirap din pumili eh. Kaya ko naman lahatin. So, both na lang.
Both na lang.
Yes.
Sa kasi Akira,
Palaban.
medyo ang dami ng experience na to sa acting eh. No?
Yes.
Medyo...
Idol ko yan. Bata pa lang ako, idol ko na. Wag ka na.
Wag na. Alright, thank you very much.
Time where you're breaking down. Yung when you saw the parang that feeling of like your stomach is fell.